landing stations. Hello everyone, Cebu Pacific welcomes you to Godofredo P. Ramos Airport. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Voice communication with the use of mobile phones is prohibited while the cabin doors are closed. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave any of your personal belongings behind. And be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at hintayin matanggal ang ilaw sa fasten seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais rin namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na ipinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team headed by our flight deck crew, Captain Sangalang and First Officer Babera, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of your important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific. Once again, we ask that you keep your area clean and tidy. Kindly clear your seat pockets of any remaining litter, and please bring this with you as you leave your seats. You may dispose this in the bins near the exit. We seek your cooperation in ensuring that no litter is left behind the aircraft. Thank you. And for guests with infants, the infant's life vest shall be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside the seat pocket, and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vest from the aircraft is a serious offense. And for guests needing wheelchair assistance, you are advised to deplane last using the forward door only. Cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival and cross-check. Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do safety-related procedure. Passengers remain seated.